2018 and we're at the Monster booth. Everybody's coming out with wireless Bluetooth earbuds, but Monster's got something really, really original this year. It's the Airlink Elements and the Airlink's iSport. For the first time, you're getting wireless earbuds that are designed to look like jewelry. The box even says high performance audio jewelry. And that really describes these little guys. In the box, you get really small ear tips. It was designed with women's ear canals in mind, but it's not just externally that makes them cool. They have a 16-hour battery life. It also comes in a really neat charging case, which kind of looks like a makeup compact.
Monster has brought melody technology into their earphones so that you'll have better voice recognition and better access to your music library. If you want a certain song and maybe it's on Pandora but it's not on Spotify or it's not in your Apple iTunes, you'll be able to have it basically go through a list of different services that you use and it will find the song for you.
They also have tile built in. So if you lose one of the earbuds, you'll be able to still find the other earbud.
Monster is in the process of working with an insurance company to ensure that if you were to lose one or both of them and you couldn't find them with the tile that's built in, instead of having to go out and buy an entire new set of earphones, you'd be able to just replace the piece that you're missing. Monster expects the pricing to be between $199 and $249, and they'll be available in first quarter 2018.